Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the cameraman, and just a quick update on the video that I just posted in response to Steve Matthews, the Teeth of the Lamb. I did post a comment earlier on underneath Steve's video, and I did check to make sure that it posted, and it was there. This is the comment that I posted earlier on. Once again, Steve, I see you're confusing the shadow cast by the Earth on the Moon during a lunar eclipse with the shadow cast by the Moon on the Earth during a solar eclipse, etc. You can pause and read it if you want to. I posted that 7 hours ago, and I've just posted the link to my response video as requested by Steve Matthews. He did ask in his video that people post the link. Now I know that often when people post links and comments, they do get sent to the spam folder. So what I did was to check using incognito to make sure that my comment posted. And what I found when I did that, as I will show you in just a moment, is that this comment has been deleted. It was published earlier, it has been deleted. So I also posted this comment without the link to say, "Hello Steve, I just posted my video response," etc. I tried to post the link here, but it seems to have been filtered. Either that or I'm blocked. So let's have a look. Let's open the comment in an incognito window. And there is the video. Let's just pause that. And let's scroll down. As you can see, I'm not signed in. Steve Matthews. And where are my comments? They're gone. So it would appear that Steve Matthews has blocked me and deleted my earlier comment. Well, Steve, if that's the way that you want to play, then I guess it means I will have to just post response videos instead of trying to work with you. You know, I do try and avoid working against people whenever possible, but when they engage in censorship and delete comments and ban people, then it means that there is only one avenue left, and that is to post response videos. Thank you for watching.